Today we're gonna do a super easy glowy look, which is gonna be perfect for summer and spring. I did this look one night just at home and I was vlogging and I was surprised to see lots of sweet compliments. So this one's dedicated to you. Thank you. I'm using the HD Skin by Makeup Forever and I'm just kind of mixing the colors. Just effortless. It's easy to put on. It's so compact. I mean, it's literally compact. My baby cousin's wedding is coming up next month and I think I'm just gonna do this look that I'm about to show you. Why am I red on my chest? Maybe I feel like I'm rushing because Auntie Mel has the littles right now and they could be home any minute now, and I'm just like, once they're home, my mind, naturally, they just want mommy's attention. I am gonna shade a little bit with this cool tone brown. A little bit above the cheeks. And I'm just using the same brush. For concealer, I have the Hourglass. I'm gonna mix Beach and Sienna. And I'm gonna pat that over the lid as well, and I'm gonna use that as a primer for my shadow. Next, I'm taking my Sephora contour stick. This is in shade 2, light to medium. And I just place it over that other contour. This shade's just a little darker. I also like to take this on my lid and I bring it down my nose. Get the tip. I'm gonna use the Makeup by Mario. This is the Master Mattes. I'd say if there's one eyeshadow palette, especially if you have brown eyes, I mean, I'm sure this looks good on other eye colors as well, but especially brown eyes, this is kind of a must. I'm just mixing these two colors here. And I'm gonna put that all over my lid. And also kind of bring it down to the nose so it kind of blends in with my nose contour. Take a black liquid liner and line on the lid, but I go actually really thin all over the lid until you reach the outer corner. Then really kind of like wing it. Literally, not like wing it, try to figure it out, but put a wing on it. If you like it, then you want to put a wing on it. My question to you watching, YouTube has been around for 20 years now. Makeup tutorials, maybe like 18, and there's a bazillion to watch and learn from. So I feel like okay, I guess my question is, what's your level of makeup expertise? Like for you, not even for somebody else's face, like for you, do you know how to do liquid liner? Are you watching completely clueless on how to do this? Now you can literally learn whatever your heart desires on YouTube for free. I mean, granted, yeah, you gotta watch some ads in between, but you can learn anything. Literally anything, and anything you can do and perfect or get close to perfection just through repetition. I guess I meant to say you can get proper tutorials elsewhere than here. Okay, this is Wet n Wild's brow kit. And this is my go-to that I just always go back to. So I already got my brows done. I think I may have mentioned this before, but I still put product on my brows because I use it as a guide. And when I do my makeup, I kind of extend the brows inward, but I would never tattoo it this way because if I don't have any makeup, it would look off. But when I do makeup and I put lashes on, it makes sense. Just trust the process. Brow gel, this is just from the Pixie Brow Duo. So I'm going to be using these lashes that I got off of Amazon. They're called Kiramiro. I'm going to have to look it up because oftentimes I buy lashes. I am a lash hoarder. Hi, I'm Judy and I'm a lash hoarder. Sometimes after I bought them and I've rediscovered them, I'll look it up to buy more and then they don't sell it anymore. Or like they moved on to other stuff. So I don't know if this is still around. If it is, I will definitely add it to my Amazon storefront. That's where I add my like must-haves that I get from Amazon. The thing with Amazon, it's always a hit or miss. You don't know if the band is gonna be good, if the actual hairs look too glossy or not. Like you just don't know. While I wait for the, oh wait, I already did the lashes. Oh my god, you're so creepy.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna cook adobo outside so it doesn't smell in the house, okay?
Oh, okay. He makes adobo better than me and he's not even Filipino. You know what? Sometimes I don't even put mascara on because I feel like the lashes already do the job because my lashes are almost non-existent. And it makes the removal process so much easier because if I'm wearing mascara, it has to be at least waterproof so that it doesn't transfer to the bottom lid. I'm gonna take this creamy taupe color and put this in the middle of my lid so it's not just one tone. And then I'm gonna take these two colors, and this is why I love this palette because you could really mix colors and just create a new tone of brown. Mixing the two lightest colors to put underneath the brows. I've never been one to put concealer under the brows. So I never want my brows to look too sharp. I've done that before and for me it doesn't look too good. I'm taking my Clinique Stay Matte Sheer Pressed Powder 25 Stay Honey Wheat, and I'm just putting this right in the center. My T-zone, this is where I get the most oily. Gonna go underneath the eye. I like to wiggle my lashes so it looks like a rainbow because sometimes I make the mistake of not doing that and my eyes look like a slanted table, like it's like it'll be straight here and then rounds up, which I think is how it looks like right now actually. Shit. Dang it. Hold on. I gotta round it more. I need to round it more in the inner corner because then it's doing that. For my cousin's wedding, it's gonna be in Hawaii and obviously it's gonna be hot. We're gonna be dancing, so I'm about to do a kettlebell workout after this, and this would be a great tester to see how well this holds up for the rest of the day. You know, oftentimes when you have a lot of makeup on, wouldn't you agree it actually looks better throughout the day? Like it wears well because your natural oils blend in and then you look glowy. I mean, as long as everything is in its right place and you set it with the right stuff, it actually ends up looking better, I think, towards the end of the night. Now the fun, we get to add some color. I just picked up this at Ulta, MAC's Happy Go Rosy blush, and this is a mineralized blush. I wonder if this is new because I do not remember the shade at all when I used to buy MAC 15 years ago. But I'd say this is kind of like the hero, or one of the main features. The cheeks and lips are what I think is the focus of this look. It has an ever so subtle sheen to it. It's so pretty, and I'm really focusing like in the apples of my cheeks and then bringing it up. I am gonna put a little bit of bronzer. So this is Gucci in shade 4. Gucci. It smells so good. It smells so expensive. I mean, maybe because it is. So I'm just gonna place this all over. I always top off on the cheeks for Glowy Glow. This is the Ambient Lighting Palette in volume 2. I'm just gonna take it over that bronzer. And this just gives you the most gorgeous, effortless glow. Like the way this is milled is like so finely milled. I would consider this like a bronze highlighter. It's my favorite. So last but not least, the lips. This is Huda Beauty in Muted Pink. This is Wifey Liquid Lipstick. I'm definitely gonna get more of her matte lipsticks because it wears so well and it feels like nothing on your lips. And last but not least, my favorite gloss at the moment is the Outrageous Intense shade 2 by Sephora, and it's like a lip gloss plumper. My setting spray is Airbrush Flawless by Charlotte Tilbury. And there you go, that's it. I say this took about 30 minutes for a full face. Without me talking, this probably would have taken 20 minutes. So I hope you like it. I'll have everything listed down below, and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. I'll see you guys later. Bye. We're good. Makeup is still on. Everything looks good. My lipstick already wrapped off, but skin looks good. Okay, I'll see you guys. Bye.